A huge thank you to The Perfect Hair Care for sponsoring today's video.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Every single day of the week, I start my morning by starting a load of laundry. This is just so that I can stay caught up. I'm really trying not to get behind on things like dishes and laundry, so starting a load in the morning always helps. I came downstairs to make breakfast and the boys were eating some leftover pizza. They are so funny. I'm just making myself some really simple pumpkin oatmeal. I just quickly cooked myself up some oats and then added about a tablespoon of pumpkin. I really like chia seeds in this one too, just for the health benefits. I like honey for sweetness, and then pecans add a great crunch and a nice warmth to this. I use almond milk just because I don't really enjoy regular milk, and then top it off with some cinnamon. The boys really wanted to watch a Christmas movie on Netflix after this, and since our church doesn't start until 1, they definitely had time. Then I went ahead and went upstairs to get ready. As I mentioned earlier, this video is in collaboration with The Perfect Hair Care. I have been using their brush and their hair towel for a couple of weeks, and I have really been enjoying them. This brush in particular, I really enjoy because it doesn't snap and break my hair. I am having a lot of postpartum hair loss, so that is very important to me. And then this bundle comes with a microfiber hair towel that has a tie in the back, and you'll see me use it in just a second, but it actually keeps the hair towel on your head. It just keeps it from falling off, which is nice because you can kind of run around the house and get stuff done. And again, it does not pull or tug on the hair. This also reduces drying time and reduces frizz, adds shine to the hair, which is really nice because then you're not using a bunch of products, potentially chemicals in your hair. It just reduces the steps, and anybody watching my channel knows that if this is going to save me time, I am going to be all about it. Be sure to check the description box. I will have links down there for you guys on where you can purchase these. Most days of the week I am rushing through my makeup routine just because I have a 3-month-old baby, but on Sundays we have a little extra time, so Cody will hold Lila for me and I can do a little bit more done up, a little bit more glam, full face of makeup, so I really enjoy taking my time on both my makeup and my hair routine. By now my hair has dried about 70% thanks to this hair towel. I love that because it just saves me time blow drying, and it also saves me damage on my hair. I always get so excited on Sundays because it's an excuse for Lila to wear one of her sweet little dresses. I actually started an Instagram account for her little outfits, so if you'd like to follow us, I will have that linked down below. And the reason she is crying here is because I put her arms through the sleeves. She absolutely hates that and cries every single day when I do that. I am just gonna put some potatoes in the crock pot. I really wanted to do cheesy baked potatoes tonight. We have to go to church in about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get these prepped and ready. I just looked on Pinterest and it looks so easy. I love easy recipes. You guys know that. So I'm gonna grab my crock pot and kind of walk you guys through this, and then I'll actually come back later. It's not part of my morning routine, but I'll let you know if they turned out. I am using russet potatoes today, and these are super dirty potatoes, so if you're going to be using these, make sure you wash them off. But I'm going to poke these with a fork. Now we're going to apply some olive oil and some salt and wrap them up in tin foil. Ideally, you would put the oil on with a pastry brush or some kind of brush. I cannot find mine, so we're just gonna try this by putting the foil down and drizzling the oil over. pop these right into my crock pot, and 4 fits perfectly in this one. This one's kind of small. And then I'm gonna put this on high for 4 hours, and that should be absolutely perfect. When we get home from church, these should be ready to go. I used my cheese sauce recipe in another video where I made mac and cheese, but it's awesome on potatoes and broccoli. So I will find that video for you guys and link it below. We need to leave really soon, just in a few minutes, but I want to pick up really quickly. The boys are still getting ready. Blakey, are you all ready to go, baby? Good job. We just need to do some hair and then I think we're ready.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the earth.
Our church is 3 hours, so I do let my kids bring a little snack. Today I just brought them a fruit leather, a applesauce, and a few animal cookies. So they might eat these even on the way to church, but I do give them a little snack because our church is kind of long. So let me know in a comment if you let your kids have snacks at church and what you bring them, because I'm always looking for ideas.
As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy.
So we're back from church now. I have had these potatoes in the crock pot and they absolutely turned out. I recommend this. This is how I'm gonna make potatoes from now on. This is awesome. This would even work if you needed to do mashed potatoes. This was so easy. And then we have the cheese sauce right over here, which again, I will link for you guys down in the description box below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like routine videos. I have my fall evening routine coming where I show you how we get the kids ready for bed, and I'm really excited about that. Have a great day, you guys. Happy fall, and I'll see you soon. Bye.